Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Asian Express-08 running shoes. So we will first unbox the shoe and go through every details in the review. So let's go. Let's start by talking about the 5 best things about these shoes. And the first thing is, even though this is a budget friendly shoe which is priced below 700 rupees, there is no such cheap over texting or over designs going on. They kept it very standard when it comes to the text part. Here you can see the running branding on this side and on this side, and there is no any other over text is done, and there is no any other cheap text work, only one Asian branding on the back side. And the second positive thing is about this color combination. So this color looks very good. It doesn't feel like a cheap color, and there are no over color combinations. They kept it minimal by having smaller color variations. And the third thing is, of course, the comfort of the shoe. Here you can see there is a good amount of sponge effect, so it gives you very good amount of comfort inside. And I would say probably this is the one of the best comfortable shoe that I ever bought below 700 rupees. And the inside, the outsole is also very good. As you can see, the midsole have an adequate thickness and also nice sponge effect. So overall, the midsole and the inside of the shoe both in combination give you a good amount of comfort for the price range. So if you are looking for a good comfortable shoe on this budget level, you can go for this. And the fourth nice thing is the materials used on this product. So in general, everything used on this product have a minimum amount of quality. And also we will test it thoroughly on the end of the video by doing a durability test. And finally, the fifth feature is the breathability of this material. So if you have a long workout sessions, at this price range, this is one of the best breathable and nice material that you can get. Here they used a cloth type of material, and it doesn't feel like very cheap material at all. And that's why I told you this is one of the nicest comfortable shoes that you can get for this price range. And the same Asian brand have another shoe called the Innova Series 1, but I think surprisingly this is a bit more comfortable in comparison with that more expensive shoe. Now let's talk about the 5 negative things. Starting with the first one, the build finishing of the product is very poor. This part is not clearly done, and there are a lot of up and downs here. And on the back you can see this painting is cheaply done, and again on the side this painting is also cheaply done. Secondly, the midsole quality is very poor. As you can see, there is creasing already happening on this midsole, and that is the midsole have a lower quality, which after a long time of usage can cause compression on the midsole, which can lead to the reduction of the comfort and also flexibility of the midsole. Thirdly, on the outsole, the grip is not adequate enough, or I would say this is not the best grip I ever used. Like they are very cheap grip, but on rough surfaces like road or treadmill, you will have an adequate amount of grip. But if you are using it on treadmill on faster speeds, it can give you a little bit of concern and will reduce your overall confidence on the grip. So I will not recommend the shoe for fast runners because the grip is not good enough. Finally, if you are looking at the inside of the shoe, you can see it is a very bright color, like a fluorescent green color, which can cause soiling or become dirty after a little usage. So even if you wear socks, this area can get really dirty. But even though there is a negative part, there is also a positive part, which means this will not heat up easily because this is a bright color. It will not heat up that easily. But if it was a dark color, it can cause a little heating issue. So now let me conclude by saying that this is a nice comfortable shoe on a budget level. But if you have a little more budget, you can go for better shoes with a little more good looks and also better finishing quality. Now on the last part, let's check the durability of the shoe. Starting by this part. Even though there is a great amount of stress, and you can see a little sound coming from that, like it is about to break off, but still it held up very well. There was no any issues or damaging happened to this part. Now let's pull this strap. Whenever we are wearing the shoe, this is one of the most used part, so it should have nice durability, and here that is the case. There is no any problem. This really have a very good stitching, which means it will not break off easily. Here, let's scratch this part. Surprisingly, there is no much damage happened to this part. You can see a small fade in here. Other than that, there is no major damage. Now let's do a simple pen test. to see if it is easily creasing, but here the creasing is already done, so we don't have to check it by doing the bend test. So here, like we expected, there is a good amount of creasing going on here, which means the midsole is not of a good quality, but for the price it is okay. Now guys, if you have any questions related to this product, you can comment it down below, and if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.